Live again for Ultimate Sports Cards, doing a live box break. We're going to do 2011 Certified, just because. Because our last box break left a lot to be desired. Alright, 10 packs. And should be 4 hits. Polamalu insert.
I'm feeling Ponder.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I'm feeling like a Mario Manningham numbered card.
Oh yeah.
Alright, we got a hit in this one. Daniel Thomas insert and Brian Urlacher to 250 jersey card.
Alright.
Not numbered to number 54, but Hometown Heroes. Got another. Nah, this one's not a jersey.
It's yellow.
Got gold.
Ooh.
Gold Mendenhall. That's 17 to 25. This one's thick. I think I want to save that one. Bunch of nothing.
Sweet. At least there's not as many packs.
That one's really thick as well. And Salas rookie. Okay, so we're going to get the best two packs at the end here. Fitz 24 of 100 jersey.
Alright.
So we're going to get 5. No, I'm sorry, yeah, 4 hits in this box. Alright.
At least one of those should be the auto, though.
Yeah, both of these are pretty thick, though, so I hold on to them. Richard Dent. Oh, that's a beautiful patch.
That is cool.
Prime patch. I thought I saw a number to 10 on the back.
Oh yeah.
7 to 10. That is pretty sweet.
Can't get the light to see it. There you go.
Come into the light. And this should be our autograph. If it's a rookie, that's a pretty thick card. We might have a good one here. Ryan Mallett to 299. It's just going to be your basic jersey auto. That's nice.
Alright.
Well, very cool. Well, that is your 2011 certified box. Thanks again for watching, guys. Ultimate Sports Cards.